You drank my Dr. Pepper, aren't
I haven't yet. It's still there. Anyway, we're gonna do a week at Shadeswraps, aren't we, Daryl?
I guess so. Yes. Yes, we are.
Because there's not gonna be enough in one day to be able to see what's going on.
No. We're gonna start vlogging because we're so exciting. Yeah.
What are we doing this week then? What we got on?
So, wrapping this in Oracle charcoal metallic, which is here. Nice exciting colour. It's for a detailing van. So yes, gonna cover it in sign writing as well. Nice big logos on it.
Wow.
Just PPF the front of this, just letting it dry out a little bit. And give it the final checkovers. That's going later on today. And that's about it at the moment.
Fun. You're so robot-y, aren't you?
I hate talking. Hate
Loves it. Jay's gonna love it the most.
Nah, mate. Oh.
Here he is.
Oh no. Oh.
Yeah.
Our favourite person ever.
See the vlog.
I mean.
Nice clean golf outside.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Hi. Okay. You can't have the music on, copyright. That's why I turned it down. You're not even pointing at yourself.
Yeah, it's a video.
Welcome to Shadeswraps. Oh. The splash proof is fine.
Here he is. Here he is. Sarah. Here he is.
Crazy kids you are.
If you came out the door.
No.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Bam.
We've lost the plot.
He's gone, yeah. Alright, the van's swapped over because this one's getting collected at 5 o'clock. He's done bonnet, wing, door on the passenger side. And the sliding door cover. And then driver's side back door. And whole side apart from this lower side skirt thing because we have to take this off. And the trims. Day 2. Day 2 is now Tuesday. The side skirts, back door, and then roof to do. And then that is it done. The TV running again. We've got it in a minute. Porsche was white, came in for like a light nardo grey. Gloss, satin black features over it. Alright, the heating is on because it is too cold to be wrapping in here. But anyway, a little update on the Caddy. So, this side, the door parts are now done, just doing the side skirts. This side, Jay has been in this top piece all the way through, down there. Got the offcut of that to do the door, this back section. Done the Shadeswraps signature.
So a quick easy way to wrap a panel. Do pull this back like so. Use a snitty. Up she comes. Pin it up. And then we go left to right. Oh! Done. Done. Just that.
Wow.
Yep.
How are you?
Oh, hello.
Just attacking people on the way past.
Hi. Oh, hi. I didn't notice it's you. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hi.
Yo, wake up.
What day is it today?
Today is Saturday.
A fine, lovely, beautiful day.
Okay, it's Wednesday. Thanks for letting me know. Look at the concentration.
Graphics are next door printing, obviously.
Oh yeah, graphics going on the side of this. This is what it's going to look like. Hey! Hey! How are ya? Alright, Audi A3 in, rear window tints, D-chrome around the windows and front grille. Where's your shoe, mate?
Someone stole my shoe.
Yeah. It's just behind the door.
It's not. It's actually.
I bet you. I bet you £100 it's up there. Go on.
Has it gone right in the hole?
I bet I can get it in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just got to do the front grille and the rest of these two windows to tint. The concentration on the wild rapper's face. I've been spotted. Nothing.
How's it going, mate?
Not bad, mate. Just wrap the front thing. Hello, right?
Amazing. Good
Yeah,
job,
what time
man.
are you gonna give your mates? What day is it today, mate?
Right, so
Monday.
me and Sherry had a bit of a
Monday,
war
yeah.
yesterday, and she got me very wet. So it's my turn to get her covered in snow because Christmas time's coming soon.
Christmas.
Morning. Okay.
Yeah. Whoa, we did.
Hi. Vlog.
No. No, 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 no. It's Christmas! Oh my god!
That was fun.
Anyway, morning.
Hi, look at my chair.
We're off, boss.
All right, lads. All right, not bosses.
What else we got in?
We've also got this in for some rear tints.
The-
D-chrome.
The brother of the red one yesterday. Alright, we haven't been here, but we have done all of it now with all the sign writing. Looks really cool. Alright, let's see if he gets the intro right today. What day is it today, Darryl?
Today is Friday! Tip Shop Fridays! I'm trying to put music on, man.
Sorry,
Just
mate.
give me a
Sorry,
minute.
sir.
We did the Dynax detailing van this week.
Yep.
It's done. It's gone out. He was really happy. It's all good. Next up is this van for PJ Bryars. Young guy behind the camera.
Sorry.
We're going to tint his front windows today.
Well, we're not, are we?
Well, we might.
My car's not here.
Oh yeah. No, we're not going to do his front windows today.
Thanks, mate.
So next in today we've got this we've also got our young little Aramis over here.
You're really bad at pointing the camera. You're like, turn it around completely.
Ride me! Ride me!
Just trying to work here. Let's end the YouTube video then. It's Friday.
It's Friday. The work is done for the day. For the week.
Jay's off.
And I've said they can go home early.
But he didn't actually.
If they find the Dr. Pepper, that rat bag upstairs is hidden.
I'm gonna just Give him 20 quid. Tell me where it is.
What?
Where's the bloody Dr. Pepper? Where's the Dr. Pepper?
How much you paying me?
20 quid.
Get money out. In the cupboard.
Which one?
On the stairs.
Oh! That easy!
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Well, I'm not telling you until you shake up, you can go in. Swear on everything's life.
Yeah.
Swear on your kid's life.
Find it, you can go out.
When?
Once you find the Dr. Pepper.
Alright. If it ain't in here and I just spent 20 quid.
It's in the cupboard.
Oh! He's a little sugar plum, he's got it the whole time!
I just didn't want you to go out.
Aramis, he owes you 20 quid now.
End the video.
Bye. That's it, mate.
Okay.